Parvovirus. Parvovirus, portrayed by the Par 4 golf scene, is a non-enveloped DNA virus shown by the nun with an envelope and the DNA helix. This virus is the only DNA virus that is single-stranded, illustrated by the single-stranded helix with a 1 wand, and has a linear genome, depicted by the pulley line. The line should help you remember the linear part. This virus happens to be the smallest virus, which is why the king is looking at the virus through a magnifying glass. Parvovirus B19, depicted by the word brunch at the 19th hole, is the predominant parvovirus that infects humans. In children, it causes erythema infectiosum, shown by the erythematous red earth with the infectious green hue, which causes a slap cheek rash in children, illustrated by the child being slapped across the cheek. Erythema infectiosum is also commonly called fifth's disease, shown by the nun putting her hand up for a high five. In adults, it usually presents as arthritis. Here, King Arthur. However, in patients with hematologic abnormalities like sickle cell, parvovirus can cause aplastic crisis, portrayed by the sickle cells in the plastic bottle. In addition, in pregnant women, parvovirus can cause hydrops fetalis, shown by the drop from the eye drop with fetus inside. These complications are the result of parvovirus replicating in erythroid progenitor cells, which inhibits red blood cell production and causes RBC aplasia, shown by the red blood cell on the plate.
The father and son are trying to finish an early round of golf on a tricky par 4. They were tied at the last hole, so their brunch was brought to them at the 19th. This shot is for the win, but it's hard to concentrate when you're hungry and there's a steaming RBC on a plate beside you. It smells especially nice compared to the fumes of the child's red earth golf ball. His game stinks too, as the nun is indicating it's his 5th shot on this par 4. She just wants them to pay the bill in her envelope so she can be on her way. Ever since the Sickles drained their plastic water bottles, the game has been dragging on. There's 1 shot left, and the fetus within is a fan of the child. He just wants to see this kid beat an adult at golf, so he's slapping his cheek and telling him to put on his game face. If his father was a good sport, he wouldn't be trying to blame his missed shot on the smallest of bugs. He should be standing at the ready to pull the DNA pin for his son.